What happens if an ordinary Tesla crashes into Earth? At earthly speeds, it's just a car accident. But today, we're applying Einstein's laws and accelerating this car to 99.99% the speed of light. Welcome to Stellar Draft. We will conduct a strict test across 8 different speeds. No sci-fi, just harsh relativistic physics. Make sure to watch until the end. At 99% the speed of light, familiar physics breaks down, and the real outcome of this impact will be far more ruthless than simply destroying the planet. Let's run the simulation. Speed, 3 kilometers per second. This is extreme hypersonic, 10 times faster than a cruising Boeing. At this speed, the sports car pierces the dense layers of the atmosphere like an artillery shell. The air simply doesn't have time to part around the windshield. Upon impact, a ton and a half of metal doesn't just crumple, it literally shatters into shrapnel in a fraction of a second. A kinetic explosion occurs with a force of 1.5 tons of TNT. It leaves a smoking crater, and the shock wave wipes out everything within a 100-meter radius. A horrific accident for any bystander. But for our planet, it's not even a mosquito bite. Raising the stakes, 30 kilometers per second. This is the orbital speed at which cosmic asteroids bombard Earth. Here, the laws of standard aerodynamics become our enemy. The air in front of the Tesla's bumper compresses so violently that it heats up to thousands of degrees. The chassis begins to vaporize mid-flight, turning the car into a blinding, fiery meteorite. Impact. The strike releases energy equivalent to 140 tons of TNT, the power of a tactical bomb. A blinding flash, a stadium-sized crater, and seismographs record a local earthquake. The planet has taken its first serious wound, but we are just warming up. It's time to break the laws of physics. Accelerating to 1% the speed of light, 3,000 kilometers per second, Newton's laws are starting to fail. At this speed, the Tesla punches through Earth's atmosphere in 1,000th of a second. The friction is so extreme that the metal instantly turns into a ball of superheated plasma. Upon colliding with the surface, 1.4 megatons of energy are released, the exact equivalent of a modern strategic nuclear warhead. The impact instantly vaporizes an entire metropolis. A giant fireball forms, leaving a glowing crater several kilometers wide. No radiation, just pure, ruthless kinetics. Earth shudders. %, the speed of light, 30,000 kilometers per second. At this speed, the sports car would fly the distance from Earth to the Moon in just 13 seconds. The air molecules simply don't have time to part. They smash into the car with monstrous force, triggering thermonuclear fusion right in mid-flight. The Tesla strikes the planet like a man-made sun. 140 megatons of energy are released, almost 3 times more powerful than the Tsar Bomba, the most destructive weapon in history. The absolute kill zone is the size of an entire country. The shockwave circles the globe twice. This is now a continental-scale catastrophe. %, the speed of light, 60,000 kilometers per second. The Tesla turns into a relativistic projectile. The air in front of it isn't just burning anymore, it disintegrates into subatomic particles. At the moment of contact with Earth, over 600 megatons of energy are released. A blinding flash of hard X-ray radiation instantly ignites forests across an entire hemisphere. If the impact hits the ocean, water within a radius of hundreds of kilometers will boil away in fractions of a second. Cubic kilometers of steam will blast into the atmosphere, triggering a circular mega-tsunami as tall as a skyscraper. The Earth's crust begins to crack at the seams, unable to withstand such tension. half the speed of light, 150,000 kilometers per second. Relativistic effects come into full force. The car visually compresses in the direction of motion. The kinetic energy is so colossal that the impact punches clean through the Earth's crust, like an armor-piercing bullet through glass. 4 gigatons of TNT equivalent detonate right inside the boiling mantle of the Earth. This provokes an immediate fracturing of tectonic plates. A wave of global earthquakes rolls across the entire planet, and dormant supervolcanoes begin to erupt one after another. The sky is choked by an impenetrable layer of ash for decades. We are standing on the brink of planetary death. Level 7, 95% the speed of light, 285,000 kilometers per second. Here, pure theory of relativity comes into play. The mass of the Tesla increases rapidly, and it transforms into a concentrated beam of plasma and exotic particles. The car strikes the planet like a shot from a colossal sniper rifle. The Earth's crust doesn't just melt, it instantly shatters on an atomic level. The continent that took the hit turns into a boiling ocean of magma in a fraction of a second. The skies turn blood red from falling meteorites made of our very own rock. But even this is not the limit. Finale, 99.99% the speed of light. The projectile's mass is artificially multiplied 70 times. Forget cinematic myths, Earth will not blow to pieces. The Tesla becomes an absolute relativistic needle. It pierces the atmosphere in 300 microseconds, punches through the crust, and goes deep into the mantle. 2 teratons of energy are released directly from inside the planet. The surface swells into a giant bubble and bursts, erupting a colossal geyser of liquid magma into open space. Earth will survive, but it will carry a monstrous, fiery scar forever. Harsh physics does not forgive fantasies. Subscribe to the channel to see real science, and write in the comments, what should we launch into the simulation next time?